Ever grappled with the enigma that is the Windsor knot? Fear not, because today you're going to conquer that challenge. The Windsor knot, a time-honored classic, is your ticket to a polished professional appearance. And guess what? It's not as complicated as it seems. To begin, hold the tie with the wide end on your right side and the narrow end on your left. Ensure the wide end is approximately 12 inches longer than the narrow end. Now, cross the wide end over the narrow end, forming an X just below your chin. Next, loop the wide end behind the narrow end, pulling it back around to the front but from right to left this time. Then, pull the wide end up through the loop around your neck, bringing it down to the right side. Now, you're halfway there. Move the wide end behind the knot you formed and bring it across the front from right to left again. After that, pull the wide end up through the neck loop once more, but this time from underneath. Almost there! Tuck the wide end down through the knot you formed in the front. You've just created a Windsor knot, but hang on, we're not quite done yet. Now it's time for the final touches. Adjust the knot by holding the narrow end and sliding the knot upwards towards your collar until it's snug and centered. Adjust the length by pulling the narrow end down while holding the knot gently. Smooth out any wrinkles or twists in the tie and voila! You've mastered the art of tying a Windsor knot. It may take a few tries to get it just right, but remember, practice makes perfect. And once you've mastered the Windsor knot, why not try other styles like the 4-in-hand or the half Windsor for a little variety? Congratulations, you're no longer a tie-tying novice. So go ahead, step out in style with your perfectly knotted Windsor tie.